what? This geyser is about to go off. Oh, and the other geyser is also about to go off in 30 minutes. Let's watch this one blow.
Anywhere to sit?
Oh yeah. You can stand on the other side of it too.
Wow. I'm gonna be ready for that. I'm just gonna let you see it. Oh, it's about to go. It's going. I think. There's people on it too. For some reason. Oh, I get cricket. There's a lot of crickets here. A little cave thing right there. Little cave thingamajig. We got some benches over here, and it also gives us a closer view. This geyser. Oh, look, there's a cricket right there. There's jumps. There's two of them. They already made it there. I'm walking. They're probably running. Can't wait for this one to go off. This is the littlest one. The other one that's about to go off in 30 minutes is the big one. The big boy. Wow. What a sight.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's bubbling. I got a blister on my toe too. Oh, it's building up. Building up. I think it's about to blow.
How high is it?
I think it goes about like, I don't know, maybe 50 feet. 50 feet high, that's how high it goes. Oh, yep. I'm going insane.
I think definitely blow right now. It's like right when this thing blew, like the whole super volcano.
There's a lot of tourists and visitors here. It's an amazing sight to see.
2,000 people. That's barely anything compared to how many people there is. In the world, there's 7 billion people. I don't know how many people here, though.
I think I'm going to blow one up of this one and put it on the wall.
I feel like it's gonna blow. Might not blow. Looks like it's going insane. Oh! Really? Oh. Yep, the big one's about to go. Better get back. I'm just gonna walk one shoeless.
No, put your shoe on, Aiden. We gotta get over there quick. We don't have time. We're gonna screw around.
It's fine.
Or just do it without a sock or something.
I'll just put one sock on. You can look at my shoe. Okay, you can look at the ground.
That one's really
I'm gonna get this sock on. Boom! Perfect.
Hopefully you can make it, otherwise I'm leaving you behind.
Yeah, I don't feel the blister anymore. Whoops!
Whoops. Get that shoe.
Gotta get back quick. This is a once in a lifetime chance. Well, it activates every 90 minutes, but probably never gonna see it again since I don't live here. See the steam. Huh? I have no idea. Hold on. Video's already started. Why do we need to see the clock when we know it's going to blast in about 30 minutes? It's maybe 20 now, maybe 10, maybe even 5, but most not definitely 1. Please not 1. It can't be 1 minute. There's a gas station over there. Gotta make it. Gotta make it. Gotta make it. I'll make it. I'll make it. I can see it. I can see it. It's about to blast. I know it. I can feel it. It's gonna happen. Must make it. Geyser is gold. Oh, it's about to launch. It's taking it all in, and then it's gonna just like that. Just like that. That's exactly what's gonna happen. But we'll not be able to see it if we don't make it in time. Run! That's not run and go. You can see it in the distance. Gotta make it. Gotta make it. hardcore mode, I'll be gone. Bye. I didn't make it any farther. You can see the geyser though. There's the stand. I'm gonna make it! I'm coming! Run like the wind! But I'm going slow as a snail. There it is. People from all over the world to see the super volcano. Let's go in. Got this. Can make it. There's our base. Make it. Make it. Make it. Make it. We made it.
Where is he? Oh. Yeah? You want your shoes? Oh, it's in the car. We're gonna get it after this goes. Here's some water.
Yeah, we don't care at this point. Poor Allie. She's just barely like stayed above water.
Want more? Some water? Yeah. Just a little bit left.
One around the grocery store, like, it's unattended.
You guys still have really more chances.
Yeah, I'll do it in November.
Allie, this kissed the blue one time.
Yeah, we walked down to the next valley right here and dropped off.
Yeah, but how many kids are each meal?
Every 90 minutes.
Crazy. This little tiny family.
It's an hour and 30 minutes.
All because of Grandma.
It's about to lunch.
She made this.
Then there was a grumpy old Skip, and then there was Stacy, and then there was you.
Why is it not everyone up here? There's a whole bunch of people back there eating.
Still won't tell me what time it is, so we don't know.
It's a surprise.
Your video is way too long. We're already gonna post it.
Yeah, it is. I've seen videos that were 25 minutes, and this is only 16.
There was only 7 grandkids.
it.
Not do
Same
that.
with Lake
Hey,
Oh, we already did it.
vegan, listen, that's enough. Fold your
Now
arm.
we have a whole caravan and we're leaving our own like global footprint.
Well, you walk them back. I feel like that's fine.
I'm ready.
I like to leave it harder.
Leave a good one. Is there like a siren or alarm or does it just
Jace is using that. Jace, what do you see?
He's going backwards.
Oh, you see a meow? Do you mean a cat?
Stop saying that.
horse would freak out?
Hey, hey, Deegan, stand up. Deegan, stand up. I'm gonna have Boo move between you two.
There's the water tank under the
Hey,
and
Boo.
then there's like Move between those two. thing of dirt and asphalt and cement above it. My horse won't even bring it back.
Move him. He won't do it for you. He'll make it.
What's your horse's name? Buck? I'm Carson.
But ours,
Thanks, buddy.
Carson's is general.
Dad, can I have a getaway?
No,
Why did you have one?
you're whining. I'm Dad. Nice to meet you. Couldn't find the ice cream.
That was a dad joke right there.
That one isn't open, but I saw some other kid with some ice cream. I was like,
They're gonna get down there. There's another restaurant in there. I saw people.
That's true. But I feel like you have
now you
three bags.
definitely don't get one.
Oh, what is that?
Both of them, they both said it.
Got me a cup.
It's nothing?
He's got the blue. Weston could have been mine when he was little. Long hair. Hey, Dad, don't do that.
I told Who's the best buddy over here?
Weston, come here.
I'm Dad with me. Hey, guess what? The more you whine, the more you don't get nothing. Not that there's you can't have some of his, so you're good to go.
That's okay. Do you want to sit down on the bench or on the ground?
How you feeling, buddy?
Because you're whining.
Did you eat both of the Pop Tarts?
No, we're not walking all the way back somewhere.
Licked all the frosting off.
Oh.
Little man's not feeling so.
What time is it? You won't tell me.
Best in one of those
It's a
wagons.
surprise.
I'm not sure where I can find
I
it.
still have like 20 minutes.
I just feel bad using yours because she's gonna want it.
Open up.
She doesn't look like she stays in it.
No.
I still have 20 minutes till it goes.
Open
Okay.
up. Do not hold it. I don't want your mouth on it.
Nobody's gonna watch the video. It's just you staring at it. Wow.
Just look at it.
They can skip it, you know.
I do not miss the days of packing. Once you get the stroller and plus all the kids, you're like, yeah, well, you can't go anywhere.
Oh,
You can't pack up
hey.
First kids were twins. That must have
I can probably edit it to cut it until it explodes. Kabooms.
catalog.
How did you think when they first told you you were gonna have twins too?
I didn't know until I was 21 years. I didn't have and had a ultrasound that very day even. And they're like, oh yeah, just here's his heartbeat, blah blah. But they're identical, so they were mirroring each other. So I went to go see if it was a boy or girl, and any chance in multiple tonight? All right, do you know what that is? It's two circles. I was like, I don't know how to tell boy or girl parts. Like, I'm like, and they're like, that's two heads. And I was like, because they just split conjoined wings like that one. And then on the Today Show, and I'm like, my baby has two heads. No, there's two of them in there. And I'm like, what? Because I was catching pictures and everything. I was like, yeah, two boys.
I remember that one. So that one's cool. It's like, it looks like a fake volcano, like you see at a golf course. It's like all white, way up in the air, and it's like all jagged.
But I was so happy that I was having boys. I went with boys for down but we like were driving around that area. And I'm like,
hang out with us.
Yeah, that thermal pull of their husband's bones and yeah, the bottom.
Like human?
Yeah,
Playing
it's
music
big.
for you.
I mean, a bison or a deer.
While we wait.
Yeah, so-
What time is it?
You have a phone.
Yep.
I haven't even let me take one picture since we got here.
Alright.
She's just like being thrown around.
I think it's gonna explode.
Weston, that's enough. Next time I'm gonna get you.
He did that to me.
Dun, 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 dun.
Here.
Let's wait for it to blow and then we'll go find some.
I did not put it on anybody's list. You are so hoity-toity.
I want to go on an airplane.
I freaking washed it this morning.
I can just let all the kids drink
No,
off of that.
it's back washing this thing.
I thought
I'm thinking I might get a whole meal in here.
That's
Where would you like me to go?
Allie, come here. I don't know if they have.
Where's the car?
then I haven't let him go here.
I don't know.
Is there any food and water?
They're the only airplanes that I like private jets.
What?
Yeah, there's like those.
I have all the stuff in the back. Or just tell me where it is.
It's in that parking lot where I dropped y'all off. Just like a couple rows back.
Yeah.
There's a baby. Hello, baby.
Okay. Alright, Jace, I'm gonna go get your chips. Stay over here with Dad. Stay here with Dad.
Hey, we're right here.
And we were walking through our first plane.
It's going to launch. It's going to launch. What do you think? Ow. What's inside that mind? Static. You don't even have a mind.
I had both of you by the hand. Same with when we went to the zoo.
Hey, Gunner. Keep pouting about it. You definitely won't get one.
Your mom was potty training him. Just like, just do whatever you want, your boy. She taught you, you know, if you have to go, go. And you guys just were dropping your hands everywhere. You needed to
Go.
Getting bored.
Hey, look, there's the cloud. Hey, look, there's a tree. Hey, look, there's a cloud. Hey, look, there's human beings. Hey, look, it's not a human being.
Watch the geyser.
Hey. Nuh-uh. You're an ew. Look at that. Look at that. Look at those teeth.
And you got that burger was all over your pants.
Yeah, it's just blood. Sometimes it happens, you know.
My pants everywhere.
I didn't wipe it. It just dropped onto my pants.
Stop. Stop.
That bird is gonna die. Poor bird. He has no idea what's coming. he stays there for 20 minutes. I have no idea where he went, though. Yeah, I know that, but I can't find him on my camera. Anyways, that bird's gonna die. Oh, there, you got a better view of the bird. There he is. That little bird is looking at that person's toes.
Swipe up. Like and subscribe.
Taking the photograph, right? I think there's a second YouTuber here. I'm not the only one. It's the bird. That'd be weird. Yep, those are Jace's Pop-Tarts. He only eats the frosting. Jace, you know there's stuffing inside the Pop-Tarts. Yeah, it's pink stuffing. Bird is the word, 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 bird is the word. That bird's gonna die. You know at what point he's gonna die at? Because at the point where, like, see, there's rocks here. Because someone was able to mow all this. But when it's over there, that means that no one could mow it because it's next to it, the geyser. So if the bird's in that grassy area, death is next door. Hopefully the bird doesn't die though. Hopefully. Hopefully, Bertie. Hopefully.
Weird how he hasn't like flew away yet. Definitely looks like his wings not broken.
He's just looking for food. Since there's a lot of food there, since no one lives there. No, everyone knows what's going to happen if you go over there. Except for those bees. Except for those bees. I wonder if anyone would actually watch this entire video, just sit through this.
Probably not.
Yeah, most likely. I'll probably just skip to the end. Ooh! Look at all this. Oh. It's a muffin. A muffin thing. A muffin. That muffin. It's a muffin. Okay. Oh, I guess I get the Cheez-Its. Alright. Cheez-Its. Right. Yes, I want Wawa. Oh, that's a cinnamon roll? Whoa. I want some. I want the some. Hey,
Cut it half.
hold on.
I'll break it up.
This is my piece.
Yeah, bird's still there. We've been here for like 4 minutes now.
Eat them or what?
We've hit the 30-minute mark.
I just remember the last time I was here was way hotter than this.
What do you say? Make sure that garbage comes back much.
It is?
Food review.
Oh man, I got a good one.
Getting windy.
We're only 30 miles from that town. West yeah.
$8 for a hot dog?
Mm-hmm. The first one I picked up was 25. I'm like, nope.
What does it look like?
Yeah, I don't know.
Let's eat the burger.
I'm gonna scoot down so Aunt Valerie can sit down.
Stay side.
It's going down to the beach anytime now. I dare someone to sit through this. I'm already doing the dare because I'm also sitting through this. Not doing all the work by holding this phone.
It hurt? You're tired?
Look at that firefly thing that just flew by. The bird is mad. Someone just threw something at the bird, now the bird is mad. Yeah, feed him a piece of the muffin. I'll show you. Give it to me. Bird. What? I'm not gonna die. There you go, bird. There you go.
I'm supposed to feed the wildlife, you know?
There he is.
Too late. Yeah, people are throwing things at the bird.
Yeah, that is a high step for someone doing it.
They hate the bird. The bird is bad to them.
Hi, G-Man. Did this old
Be nice to everybody, please.
Bring that here. Actually, just put it in your pocket.
Oh, faithful. so faithful. Oh. Ow. Oh, look at that muffin. I'll take it from you and shove it in my face. Delish.
Head back. Stop shutting your mouth.
Oh, that's good.
Technicality.
Head back. Head back. Don't shut don't open your mouth that big. Smaller. Smaller. Smaller.
Oh, look.
Oh! The water's going!
You stop feeling it just a bit.
Oh, it's over. Time to leave.
Was that it?
No. Obviously not. The big buildup. All right.
Get done.
It's happening. It's going. Activate. Kabloomers. Go. For some reason on the camera it looks very far away, but when I'm looking at it, it looks super close. So I have to zoom it in to make it look like it's where I am. This is what it looks like to me. This is how close it is to me. Oh my gosh.
Still a little bit more water.
Did you see that? Be ready. 1, 2, 3. Go, go, go. 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 Go, go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Oh yeah, that's a lot of water. Oh boy, oh gosh. We're all gonna die.
Is that it? Oh.
I remember I took 50 pictures of it.
You can hear it. Hear that?
It's a volcano.
It's going insane. Jeez. Whoa! It's going. Wow, that's super high. Look how high that is. That's like 50 feet. Whoa. Jeez. Oh my gosh. That's insane.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's like 50 feet. Right? 50 feet.
Whoa. That's insane. Wish you guys were here.
Underground spring.
Nobody's got their camera out.
Oh, I have no idea.
I don't see a single person here that's holding a phone. That's not holding a phone.
in your finger, we'll take the big one.
They ain't going away now.
Here we go, ready? Cool. Now what do we do?
Still launching.
Hurry because it's going down now.
They all just falling back in the hole.